The Georgia Test Case and the Alabama Resolutions. Two 1844 initiatives that, according to Leon Macbeth, writing in the Baptist Heritage, broke the back of Baptist unity. Georgia Baptists, to test the Home Mission Society's neutrality on slavery, nominated James E. Reeve, a slave owner, for appointment as a home missionary. The Society's board refused to act on Reeve's application, claiming that to do otherwise would violate its neutrality. The Alabama Resolutions were inquiries sent by the Baptist State Convention of Alabama to the board of the Triennial Convention, questioning whether slaveholders were eligible for appointment as foreign missionaries and whether the board would be willing to give up its unilateral power over appointments in favor of sharing that power with churches. Macbeth writes that Triennial board members who favored a stern reply threatened to withdraw from the board and the convention if their wishes did not prevail. Such resignations could leave the board with a minority of Northern supporters. The choice was either placate the South and lose Northern support, or give in to Northern demands and lose Southern support. Choosing the latter course, the board ruled that it would retain unilateral power over missionary appointments. It then affirmed its neutrality on slavery, but added a caveat. One thing is certain, we can never be a party to any arrangement which would imply approval of slavery. The Religious Herald of Virginia called the board's response an outrage of our rights. The Virginia Baptist Missionary Society called for an immediate end to its relationship with the Triennial Convention. It further recommended that Baptists in the South who felt aggrieved by the Triennial Board's decision plan to meet in Augusta, Georgia, to discuss how to best promote the foreign mission cause and other interests of the Baptist denomination in the South. In Monday's Baptist Brief, we'll conclude our study of the founding of the SBC with that meeting in Augusta.